Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the English class. I hope you all are happy and fine. So dear students, let us do a quick recap of what we did in our previous class. Yes, in our previous class we have done the explanation of this particular poem, the beautiful poem. So I did the explanation and I hope that it is clear to you. So basically this class is the summarization class, that is a revision class. Okay, so in this particular class I am going to summarize this poem well. Okay, so what will be the main objective of today's class? Enable the learners to revise the lesson well. That means we are going to revise the lesson. So in this poem, so it is basically about what? About a grandchild who wants to learn, who wants to hear some beautiful stories from her nanny. And regarding what, she has mentioned few topics also. That is of a friendly dog that wags its tail, of hills and valleys and forests green, of little fairies and their queens. After that again, she wants to hear the stories about lions, tigers and ships that sail, about the heroes who win wars and the sun, moon and stars. Okay, so about this all she wants to hear the stories from her grandmother. So this is all about the poem. Then after that we have got some 5 important new words here. So I am going to discuss it once again. The first new word is tail, T-A-L-E, tail. The next one is valleys, V-A-L-L-E-Y-S, valleys. The third one is sail, S-A-I-L, sail. The next one is heroes, H-E-R-O-E-S, heroes. And lastly, it is wars, W-A-R-S, wars. Now, let us once again revise the meanings of the particular new words. Okay, the first one is tales. So students, as you know, tales means story. Okay, stories. Valleys, the next one. So valleys are the land between hills or mountains. That is called valleys. The next one is sail. Sail means to travel on water by ship or boat. That is sailing. Now next one is heroes. Heroes means brave people, courageous people. And last thing, wars, fighting. That is fights among people, groups or countries. These are the meaning of this new words. Okay, so another important point that we have discussed in this poem are the rhyming words. I hope you have understood and you have now remembered what are rhyming words. So students, the rhyming words are the words that ends with the same sounds. Alright. So here in this poem also we have got few rhyming words like tail, tail, T-A-L-E, tail. It rhymes with tail, T-A-I-L, tail, and also with sail, S-A-I-L, sail. Next one is wars, stars, W-A-R-S, wars. It rhymes with stars, S-T-A-R-S, stars. After that, green, G-R-E-E-N, green. It rhymes with the word in the poem queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. And lastly, it is forget, F-O-R-G-E-T, forget. It rhymes with sunset, S-U-N-S-E-T, sunset. So these are the important rhyming words that we have got in this chapter. So we have done the revision of that also. Now, a very important topic in this particular poem is the poet, the name of the poet of this particular poem. So now students, you should also learn this poem very well along with the name of the poet. Now, who is the poet of this particular poem? Manjula Shukla. M-A-N-J-U-L-A, Manjula, S-H-U-K-L-A, Shukla. So you must learn and remember and practice writing the name of this particular poet of this poem. Okay, so these are the important topics we have discussed in this particular poem. Now I have taken out 2 important questions, insight questions from this particular poem. So from stanza 1, one question, and from stanza 2, one question. Let us discuss it. Okay, now from stanza 1, I have taken out a question like who wags its tail. Okay, now who wags its tail? Now here it will be who wags its tail. We have got a line here. So it will be what? Friendly dog. F-R-R-E-N-D-L-Y, friendly dog. Okay, now next one it will be Now the next one is stanza 2. From stanza 2 it will be what will the child never forget? So again, one more question I have taken out from stanza 2. Okay, from stanza 2, the question is what will the child never forget? Okay, so what will the child never forget? We have got a line in the last line of this particular stanza 2, that is the tales that I hear after sunset. That means after sunset, whatever the tales I hear, that I will never forget. Okay, so these are the 2 important insight questions. One from stanza 1 and from the other is from stanza 2. So, dear students, I have discussed 2 of the important inside questions from this poem. So, please learn this poem, read this poem properly, and try to get all the ideas from here. And the pictures of the new words are also mentioned here, though I have also discussed this new words along with this picture in my presentations too. So, dear students, the question answers of this particular poem will be uploaded in Google Classroom. Kindly see there and write down the poem and the question answers from there correctly and in a neat and clean handwriting in your English copy. So, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye-bye.